Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, stable Wi-Fi or 5G, and that you're signed into your account. This prevents payment and download errors. Once those items are set, unlock the T800 Ultra, swipe to the home screen and tap the App Store icon. If you prefer, use the quick search gesture and type Store. You do this now because the store needs account and network access to show compatible apps and accurate prices, so don't skip verification before proceeding. You'll now search and evaluate apps. Type the app name or browse categories and apply filters such as top free or paid to narrow choices. Make sure to open the app page and scan size, required permissions, user ratings, and T800 Ultra compatibility. This avoids installing huge or incompatible packages. Once you decide, tap Install or Buy, then authenticate with Face ID, PIN, or password. This confirms your purchase and links the app to your account, allowing future restores. Finish by keeping apps current and managing space. Open updates or enable automatic updates in settings so apps update in the background. You should also review purchased apps and subscriptions under your account to control billing and re-downloads. If an install or update fails, reboot the T800 Ultra first, confirm you have enough storage, and sign out of the store, then sign back in. These quick steps clear temporary errors. If problems persist, note any error code and contact support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.